Alright you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video, you most likely watched part 1 and part 2 of my mini series on press-on nails. If you haven't seen part 1 or part 2, make sure you check both of those out. In part 3, I'm going to be talking about how to remove glue from your press-on nails. We all like our press-on nails to last a lot longer, and it's really simple of just removing the excess glue that's on them, because when you have too much glue on them, they don't really look right when you have a lot of glue up here. You know, they stop us from being able to wear our favorite press-on nails over and over. What I'm going to do is show you how to remove that glue, and I do that. I use a little nail drill that I got from Walmart. I paid like maybe $10 for it, and there are better ones on Amazon, but all I do is file some of that old glue off. I'll bring it a little closer to you. All I do is file that old glue down. I just file it down till I get the desired amount away and it's really flat. When you do this, be careful not to mess up the design of the nails nor the shape of the nail. And there you go, you guys. Really, that's all that you have to do. See? Nice nail that I can put right back on my finger without any problems or issues. Okay, let's do another one. I do suggest rinsing your nails off before putting any nail glue on it, because these little white things will stay on there. And you could use the same method with acrylic nails. Like, you can glue your acrylic nails back on if you don't wear press-ons. Once you take your acrylic nails off and they're still reusable, you use them. I keep my old acrylic nails because I make sure I take them off properly so that I can reuse them again. You know, why not? Look at it. Amazing. Right? We're going to do some more. Oh, this one is bad. This one is real caked up. Okay, you guys, as you can see, here is the difference. All of that glue is mainly off. See? You can now put your press-on nails without any issues. It doesn't take that much. You know, these glue is very irritating. Last thing you want to do is be picking it out. But all you got to do is drill it, and that's it. And that's all for my mini series, you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.